In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily bulk delete emails in Gmail. So simply here, we are in our social tab where we have over 268,000 emails. So you can obviously just select individual emails that you want to delete and then just hit the trash can icon to delete them. Or if you wanted to, you can tap the box here that says select. That will select all 50 conversations that show up on a page at once. But there is a pro move where you can select them by ticking that select box here. And then right here where it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected, you can actually click this little blue text here that says select all, however many you have conversations in whatever tab that is. So I can click that there and you can see that all 268,230 conversations are selected, and then I can just click the little delete button or trash can here, and it will slowly delete all of those emails that are in that selection. So again, just make sure that it says all conversations in this search are selected, or all however many the quantity is selected. And then just go ahead and click, as you see here, the delete button here. It says this action will affect everything. Confirm bulk action, click OK, and you are good to go. That is how you very easily and quickly bulk delete emails within Gmail. If you have any questions, put those down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.